But if you're quite far away, you can't do it. That's it, I lost. Alright.
Wins.
I have no idea what you mean. Don't waste your time touching her. That sounds really weird. I get confused. Also, slightly aroused. Like, there we go. Maybe, I don't know. Your fight money. I know, man. I find good barrels pretty difficult. I did see who he chose then. Okay.
Let's get started. Fight! And there's the first hit. What now? This bout will determine who wins once and for all. A counter. I hope you're
Oh yeah, you don't want to do a fireball because that's just silly.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight!
Hey, that. That's good. Gambled everything. That's good. Is that gonna kill? Probably not. Oh my lord.
Gouken wins.
Did some good stuff. He's definitely good with the characters that he's playing. Bow to him. Like it. Don't waste your time touching her. She's not interested in you, KBT. Mystic. Majestic. KVD. Oz. None of yous. Not interested in any of yous. There's not too much you can do. You got to hold your position and get a place. You can do a full. Yeah. The thing is, I guess I'm unsure exactly how long the recovery is on a full heal.
These days, Old Temple. The stage of battle is set. The battle has begun. Fight! How long will this go on? I've never seen a combo that intense. Anything can happen now. Will the tide of battle turn? Fight! Looks like we can expect contact with that. The fight will be underway. Anything can happen. I smell it. One attack. I hope you're ready. This is devastating attack. No doubt about it. Counter. Too late for a comeback.
Damn, that was the round. I don't know. All right. No, I don't think so. I think I had so little health I had to do something. If that's what you mean. I gave the round away, is that what you mean? I don't think I did. I kind of did, but... Jay? Yeah! You did, man. You're gonna pick Ultra 1. That's the one I normally choose. Barrow. I'm not sure I can make use of it here, though. But Jay, are you gonna come say hello in chat? Are you gonna sneak around? You're gonna lurk around? Welcome back, Nam. How you doing?
It's the battle of the century. Fight! There's the first hit. What's next? Opponent's power to your advantage.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. Oh, counter hit. Got the punch in there. I got free frame crouching jab. Yo, Mr. Turbo. Turbo Jaya. Get thrown all over the place here. Alright.
I've never seen a combo that intense. This could be the end.
I'm the champion! Yeah! Put a pose, I ain't got one. It's a Unity thing. It should just open on its own though, Triplet. Jaya. So Mr. Jaya, Turbo Jaya. You like yourself some Gouken? Will you play MKX today? No. No, I won't.
Fighters have assembled from around the world to join in the fight, but only one will be declared the best. These days, Old Temple.
Quick, the Tyro's champ. Exactly, that's how I do things here.
Fight! First hit, the scales have tipped. This is it, the fight we've all been waiting for.
Oh, that's good, let's go.
No stopping this fighter.
Alright, here we go. I got a lot to do. Good. No? Alright. I'm able to win this.
Let's keep it up! Fight!
I can press any buttons, this guy.
You're about to see something big! This is going to be
Again! What the fuck?
stopping this fighter! This could be the end!
That's good. No, not the minute then, Nanko. I'm sorry. I'm trying to beat this guy. I got the feeling he's not coming back though because he said good games. You don't have to respond. You asked if you had a first reply, and I said no. You have it.
Who will bask in the glory and adoration that comes to being declared the world's greatest fighter?
Dreaming.
Oh,
Yeah.
something still feeling, you should know.
Oh, I thought you said he finished it.
The stage of battle
Bloody hell.
is set. Are you ready?
Because I want to be.
First hit has been recorded. This is what we've been waiting for. The ultimate battle for supremacy has begun. This fighter is in the zone. I hope you're ready. I'm almost ready to call this one.
How you doing there? Sick layout. Thanks, you. I know that's not what you said. I'm just sort of mixing everything. Profound radness. Yeah, we're trying. We've got a big ass flanker on it. I'm pressing these things, aren't I? Yo, this guy is. I'm fucked. Yeah, I'm fucked. Bollocks. I want to fight him again. Unmet Sunga, maybe. Up again. You know, when they're doing the hopping nonsense, to be honest, just mashing jab is a very good idea. Urbin, how you doing? I saw you in chat. Well done. Thanks, man. I like it when people are in chat. Chat's cool. Yeah. Alright. Ah, sugar plums. I got Ultra 1. I didn't realise that. Overlord. Triple 5. Oh, you know, I'm killed. Anyone played the Overlord game? I like the Overlord 1 and DLC. That was nice. Alright. Don't do that. Alright, we've got to change the plan. Gimmicks. Hard. Well, I don't think we can pull it back. Oh, yo! XWS 3XKGT. Dude, I'll just call you dude instead. Just be my dude. Jab, jab, jab. Oh, it didn't work. Let's see how you do it. How did we do that? Get fucked by the system of the game. We don't want to waste meter here, do we? Ready? Get fucked by the game, son. Oh man. Parry's Ultra. Gotta go fine. That should have been Ultra. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Gotta palm those blankables on block. You can't do it to all of them, Urban. Sorry. It's not possible to do it to all of them. I'm checking for the ones that you can do. You can't. I don't know if there was some change. I'll go to training mode for you. So that guy doesn't fight me again. Sure thing, just trying to get my first to 5 first. Is Akuma good, KBT? Akuma is pretty good. I'll show you. So, Denjin. I should have been on Denjin though, and I tried the Denjin the last one on his Ultra, but it didn't work.
Training stage. Fists will fly and let's get started. Fight!
Oh, alright. Hold on. We got loads of people asking me for stuff. Alright, so let's do that. Alright. Okay. Oh my lord.
It's the battle of the century. Fight!
Right, that one's possible. But that's possible as well. Alright, I don't know what the circumstances are, but half the ones he was doing were not possible to do. That was medium. Maybe it's not medium now. Maybe it's... Oh, that's fucking possible too. I didn't even mean to do that. But what the fuck? No, look, guys, come on, please. I'm telling you the truth. Right, EX is not possible, but that's never been possible. I'm never talking about EX. Oh, that one's definitely not possible. you go. Can't do heavy because you can block in time. You can Denjin it, but it seems like it's just a light version. Light in EX. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Oh my god, I fucking hate that. It's so hard to do down back and to show Yuki without bloody ultra people coming out. Play me, he says. So Urban kind of seems right because I struggled to show, but I know for a fact half of those things that he was doing, for some reason or another, were unpunishable. You can tell by how far he goes back. You got quite this fat salary. What's that? Blah. Right, Namcor. Mega nerd. Eben, you're right, but I really don't feel like you're right. You're not right in my books. Alright. So I'll just play him.
The world's fiercest fighters await. Will you be the last warrior standing?
So Namcor, I can play you after this if you want. I'll do that for you.
Overmatch. Destination confirmed.
Oof.
Who will emerge a champion? Fight!
All the first fives. Right. Right.
You ready? One attack! What power? Comeback!
Reversal, reversal. So many reversals. Math teacher doing Gouken. I'm here. I love maths, guys. I'm a teacher. Oh wow. Teaching assistant most of the time. It's a bit of ICT. But, I love me some maths. Alright. One matchup with Hugo. This is pretty bad, apparently. He got a bit of a buff with the ability to clap fireballs better than he used to be able to. But for the most part, it's really easy. I'm just gonna do what he see what he does about it. Yo! Fuck you! He loses his armor when he's about to do the hit, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. That was mean, I think. That was very, very... Wow, Pavi, what? You what, mate? I think it's like an 8-2, apparently. Alright. Go. Mr. Thanks. Don't like everything. You're feeling yourself now. Yes, I'm feeling myself. You're gonna call the police?
Who will bask in the glory and adoration that comes to be declared the world's greatest fighter? Europe, blast first. Fists will fly at this location.
Namco, you can play whatever character you want.
Fight!
Oh, instant air tatsu for them. Alright, no, they're perfect for you, for me. That corner was a bit of tech as well. If he'd have done sure Gouken, he would have come out and I would have been in the corner and then teleport. Hello 112, there's an elderly maths teacher filming himself while recording. About oh, that's good. That's interesting. Ryu's crouching punch is a low and a medium parry, but Akuma is not. There you go. Go Gen, Namco. Namco, you can play Gen. I wasn't. No, I didn't say no to Gen. I said no to just you. I don't mean to be rude. I wasn't in the mood for any. I wasn't in the mood for first to fives generally. So you can play Gen. Fine.
Beautiful day. The stage of battle is set. Who will emerge a champion? Fight!
Bling out Blanca. So generally the Gen matchup is you don't engage in footsies whatsoever, and generally it's not too difficult to start. Max rate. I don't think so, Bell, though. I did a big whoa like that, I think, because it was so good. I think you missed a really hype moment then. I can't remember what it was, though. I'm pretty sure I won. That's why I left. That's why I didn't go back into ranked again.
Gouken wins!
Crouching medium punch into scissors. Gren doesn't have scissors.
The world's fiercest fighters await. Will you be the last warrior standing?
Having a bit of an off day. Don't worry about it. Do not worry about it. You see my off day. I lost all my points on my off day. It's fine. Happens.
Who will emerge a champion? Fight! This kick has been recorded. This is it. The fight we've all been waiting for. Anything can happen. Hope you're ready. Combo.
Oh, that nearly was it. I was holding that. Hold that L. I can't block in the air. What is this? I thought it was Mercury.
What will happen now?
It's Beast with an S. You gotta put the S in there. Everyone misses the S. I don't understand. Maybe I should change it to Beast Fury.
This bout will determine who wins. There's the first hit. What's next? Let's draw.
No chance. No chance of combo over.
Hope you're ready.
Bam. Work.
I'm almost ready to go.
Oh, that might be it. This is awful.
Get wins.
Kind of sounds like he's cutting stuff. Snip, snip, snip. Is he doing that all the time? Yeah. Alright then. Download complete. Alright. I gotta do the re-download then. Is that right? Re-download.
Let's get
Okay,
started.
go. I'm ready. Fireball, 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 air fireball, ouch. Fireball, choke. Air fireball, go. Actually, medium punches their hands, no taunt for me. Taunt, make focus. That's good, I got hit by that one. Don't matter. Don't matter. Don't matter. Oh, please. Yeah, no re-download on that match, that round anyway. Okay, my re-download is now 4%, let's go. Wasted meter is my download. Maximum again. Oh, that reminds me of Crisis. That was a big deal when it came out, but I remember it being bad. Oh, please. Got me again. Nice. That damage though is real. Oh shit. Oh. I clutched it out. He was going for hands. I know it to be true. Clutched. Download corrupted. Ah yes, man. I downloaded a file and it was just pornography. That's what this was. There was no download complete. I will have apps like that when I'm 92. Exactly, it fills your entire chest. I failed King Hero. When will you play a random fighting game? There's only one fighting game I want to play, Fail though. And that happens to be Karate Bikini Babes. Right, you go check out Karate Bikini Babes.
Are you ready? Fight! How long will this go on?
Yeah, I mean now I'm just getting a bit too impatient with the whole fireball stuff. The damage I do is negligible.
Turn it all around, fantastic! Turn it all around! Where did that come from?
Oh my lord! All my grain for a punish.
What an attack! Neither one can get the upper hand. K.O.
Oh my... Karate Bikini Babes? Sure you're not... Yeah, I'm sure.
Pick up the pace. Fight!
Virtua Fighter is a man's game. Apparently. That's why you quick rise, kids.
I've never seen a combo like that. I'm almost devastating attack coming up. No doubt about it. Where did that come from?
Unlucky, man. As the game's going, been winning. I've been doing my fair share of that. Yes, Colossus. We lost a few times too. But generally, I'm pretty happy with how things go. Oh, look at this though. I keep forgetting. I will destroy you. You want some? Do you want some of this? Them Gouken skills on point. No, no. I'm getting bored of fighting again, man. I hate the damn thing. I'm so impatient. Come get some. Come get some. That's from something, isn't it? Is that from Gouken or something? You want some? I'll give it to you. You what, mate? Like in the gob, I swear to my mum. Where am my mum? It's nothing to do with you, Namco. I'm not. It's just, I'm just getting impatient. Because it's all just about fireballs for me. It's boring. Heavy bored of playing real Street Fighter. Wow.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight! We're tipped. The scales have tipped.
Alright, if I can get some energy, I can start playing.
I'm almost ready to call this one. No one could have seen that coming. I hope you're ready. KO.
Really? Oh
Get win. Who will bask in the glory and adoration that comes with being declared the world's greatest fighter?
He said he can play Akuma, but he can't play Akuma.
Secret
So
laboratory.
why would you switch?
Right locale.
I switch.
It's the battle of the century. Fight! Kick has been recorded. The fight is underway. Which of these two challengers will walk away as champion? You ready?
Oops.
Ain't over till it's over. Where did that come from?
Oh, I can't even do that.
Bets are on. Anything can happen now. KO!
Alright.
Let's keep it up. Fight! There's the first hit. Where did that come from? A counter. I smell a comeback. Will this champion win? Fantastic combo. This fighter is in the zone. Now's your chance.
There you go. Well, that was fast.
Ladies and gentlemen, get wins. Who will bask in the glory and adoration that comes from being declared the world's greatest fighter? East Asia, Festival, the Old Town. Your destiny will
That was a
be
nice little
determined.
break that I had there for a second.
It's the battle of the century. Fight! And there's the first hit. What's next? Fight is underway. Which of these two challenges? Where did that come from? Anything can happen now. Is it the end? The end? KO! What will happen now? Fight!
I mean, I hit him and he can beat me. What the fuck is this shit?
Fighter is in the zone.
I seriously, I'm at a loss there. I hit him and then he can beat me.
Turn it all around. Is it the end? Fantastic.
Again, I overheaded him. I know overhead probably frames wise, but fast down him kick should be at least plus on hit or something.
Gouken
Or
wins.
neutral, or I don't know. I'd like it up. Right, it's 4-all, so this is the decider.
It's survival of the fittest on a global scale. Who the challengers will make it to the top. Are you ready? Fight! Scales and tips. This is the one we've been waiting for. The ultimate battle for supremacy has begun. Fantastic combo.
Oh my god, the range. I thought they fixed that. I thought they fixed that bullshit range.
It doesn't get any more sense than this.
Oh. King of the Gouken. Oh.
Let's keep it up. Fight! Finally underway.
And that reversals he just didn't get. See what I mean? I feel like I'm just dealing with him all the time. Nothing wrong with you, Nam. I don't want you to feel bad. Just saying. I get hit by every fucking one. I literally don't think I've ever won over a poison, really. Characters he used.
This is the one we've been waiting for. The ultimate battle for supremacy has begun. First hit, the scales have tipped. No one could see that coming.
I fucking read that.
I've never seen a combo like this.
There you go. Good games. Good games. Oh man. Been nearly streaming for 5 hours. That might be something why I wouldn't have energy. Alright. Thank you very much, Namcor. I always seem to be at a disadvantage. Gun. Oh boy. Fireballs are really good on her. She's got good anti-air as well. No, don't worry about it. Namcor, your gun is good. It's just, I can't handle it in high doses, that's all. You know, I just feel like I'm fireballing the entire match, and you're probably right. What? You can probably feel that too, is what I mean. I do feel I'm just fireballing more than Honda. Half the time, I don't know, or the same amount.
Your destiny will be determined here. Let's get started. Fight! First hit, the scale has tipped.
Oh my god, the hitbox.
What an attack!
Teach me how to play that Gouken. Yeah, pressing all the buttons properly. All the buttons.
There's no stopping this player. All bets are off. Anything can happen.
You gotta press all the right buttons. Like that. I pressed that loads. Because she did it at a weird angle.
And the battle continues. Fight! Long will it go off?
jumping in, why not? Oh, that move. It's a crazy one. Skill. There's skill, I know, I'm I mean, I don't play as well when I'm fighting people which are not necessarily knowing their character. I don't put as much effort in. Alright, so I'm going to stream for another 9 minutes, then I'm going to call it a game, a good game. Because then we'll do it for 5 hours, which is crazy. Crazy. It's light outside then. Alright, ready for jumping? Well, they probably aren't playing the same one for me. And then you know which one. You never see it, but it combos in nice ways that people don't often know about.
Run down, back out. Your destiny will be determined. Are you ready? Fight!
Well, I'm playing this guy wrong. He's very good if you let him in. So I've got to keep him out. Oh, it got me. I do have a job, you know. I have a job. That's why I can't stream all the time. Oh. It's a joke. I know, but what do you want me to say to it? It wasn't funny. I need to, Oh, that's not fair, man. Oh, that's it. I'm done. I'm done now. I'm. What am I? 5.5 minutes off the 9 minutes I said I'd do, but I'm done. I can't beat this shitty person. Oh. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone. Right. I've been Matthew, your host for this evening. Now go away. Go on, everyone disappear. You may live your lives now. Really, Gouken? 5 hours I've been here. 5 hours. I haven't got the energy, that's all. Just ran out of energy. I can't be that person. I could normally be that person easily. Wow, that's nice. I just haven't got the energy right now. Thanks, Raisling. You're finishing off the stream, are you? Sure, thank you very much. For these guys here. God damn it. No, come on, man. Come on, man. 5 hours. You're free. Go home. Go back to your wife.